AJ na lang padad ah. Lalaki bata. Sipin. No.
Ladies and gentlemen, our Mr. Smile Ambassador is male candidate number 8. Our Miss Smile Ambassador is... Who's your best? Who wants to mark this mark? Yes, you got it right. Female candidate number 2. Our Mr. Skin Radiance is a male candidate number... Male candidate number 11. And our Miss Skin Radiance is Miss Female Candidate number 11. Ladies and gentlemen, our Beauty Derm Ambassador, male candidate male category. Please step forward. Male candidate number 10. Male candidate number 11. And male candidate number 8. Our best in creative jeanswear. Ladies and gentlemen, male candidate number 10.
And this time we will be calling the top 3 best in creative jeanswear for the female category. Please stand forward. Female candidate number 8. Female candidate number 11. And female candidate number 2. And our best in creative jeanswear for the female category is female candidate number 8.
At this point, we will be announcing the top 3 for the best in school uniform male category. Please step forward. Male candidate number 8. Male candidate number 11. And male candidate number 10. Ladies and gentlemen, our best in school uniform male category will be announced later.
And now let us announce the top 3 best in school uniform for the female category. Please step forward. Female candidate number 8. Female candidate number 10. And female candidate number 11. And our best in school uniform for the male category is male candidate number 11.
And our best in school uniform for female category is number 8. The top 3 for the best in sports attire male category. Please step forward. Male candidate number 8. Male candidate number 10. And male candidate number 11.
Voting.
And the top 3 best in sports attire in the female category we have female candidate number 11. Female candidate number 10. And female candidate number 12.
K4 deh sini bu.
Our first spot in the top 8 is automatically awarded to the candidate who garnered the highest number of votes. The one who captured the hearts of the people. Ladies and gentlemen, the People's Choice awardees are
Male candidate Ewan ko nga kung bakit sa libo-libong babaeng nandun. Walang isang minuto nahulog na ano ko sa'yo. Please step forward. Male candidate number 4.
You are part of the top 5, male candidate number 7.
You may now join the male candidate number 8.
He's sitting a chance to win the crown tonight. Male candidate number 11.
And the last spot is yours, male candidate number 10.
And without much ado, here is the top 5 for the female category.
Step forward. Female candidate number 4.
You are a female candidate number 10.
Join us here, female candidate number 12.
Congratulations, you are part of the top 5, female candidate number 8.
Will be for female candidate number 11.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a hand to our top 5 finalists. Thank you so much, candidates.
To our question. Okay. Again, there will be the same question for all of our contestants. Female candidate number 4, how would you utilize the platform of Mr. and Miss Intramurals to make a positive impact within a school community, particularly at Tagum National Trade School? Again, how would you utilize the platform of Mr. and Miss Intramurals to make a positive impact within a school community, particularly at Tagum National Trade School?
Thank you for that question. I believe to make a positive impact in this school as a Miss Intramurals, I will implement my advocacy, that is Project EAT, which EAT stands for Energetic Body, Active Mind, and Transformative Lifestyle, championing holistic development through invigorating healthy eating habits, because I believe that a person that is effective has effective lifestyle, because a person that has a well-balanced lifestyle can have a well-balanced life and can communicate effectively in this community. Therefore, if I would go Miss Intramurals, I would raise and stand with my advocacy, knowing that as one trillion community, we can achieve greater things with becoming greater individual. Kasi basta train yan, magaling at tumaasahan.
Thank you so much. Male candidate, your answer please.
Good afternoon. I believe to utilize the platform is Mr. Intrams. I'm gonna, as my advocacy, it's same on my partner here because we have the same advocacy. I'm gonna implement my advocacy on this event for a better lifestyle and also to a balanced diet for everyone. This event is not only for a beauty, it is also for a talent and skill. And I believe that this is not the rest of time. This is part of my story, and I thank you.
Thank you so much, male and female candidates number 4.
Thank you so much. Yes, let's welcome our male candidate number 7 and female candidate number 10.
proceed directly with our question and read it once again. How would you utilize the platform of Mr. and Miss Intramurals to make a positive impact within the school community, particularly at Tagum National Trade School? Again, how would you utilize the platform of Mr. and Miss Intramurals to make a positive impact within a school community, particularly at Tagum National Trade School?
Thank you for your question. I believe my advocacy can make a great impact in our school because we encourage students who still struggle with basic reading and writing. And through my advocacy, we can encourage students to speak with courage and act with knowledge. And most importantly, my advocacy, which is Project Basa Bayanihan, it's not just a literacy program, but a program that encourages unity among Bayanihan. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for that wonderful question. Our advocacy or our past advocacy is on substance abuse prevention. It's deeply rooted to the realities faced by adolescents today. And I would like to use or to utilize this platform of this and Mr. Intramurals to promote more advocacies that can help every individual, not only mentally but also physically. And I thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes, there you have it. Our male candidate number 7 and female candidate number 10. Thank you so much for that.
And we're now to our third pair.
Now we have our male candidate number 8 and our female candidate number 12.
Okay. Your question goes like this. How would you utilize the platform of Mr. and Miss Intramurals to make a positive impact within the school community, particularly at Tagum National Trade School? Again, how would you utilize the platform of Mr. and Miss Intramurals to make a positive impact within the school community, particularly at Tagum National Trade School?
Thank you for that wonderful question. For me, I will implement our advocacy, which focuses on waste reduction and recycling. We are here not just for this pageantry, but to influence change for the betterment for the school. I believe that change starts here with us in our school, as students, as teachers, as leaders. We believe that through change, we can create a better future that is sustainable, that could better be passed down generations to generations. And furthermore, our advocacy is not just for the sake of this pageantry. We believe that through this Mr. and Miss Intramurals pageantry, we can furthermore influence other students to be more courageous and to be more motivated to not only participate in activities that can bring change, but to conquer it. And I thank you.
I would promote about our advocacy about mental health awareness to help other students overcome their fears and challenges. And I know that a lot of students can also
candidates.
Now join the other contestants in the backstage.
Okay, here are our next candidates. Our female candidate number 8 and male candidate number 11.
So we better ask the question to them instead.
Yeah,
Alright.
you already had it out today.
Okay. Yes, candidate number 8 and number 11. Di kita I'm sorry. Alright. Your question is, how would you utilize the platform of Mr. and Miss Intramurals to make a positive impact within the school community, particularly at Tagum National Trade School? Again, how would you utilize the platform of Mr. and Miss Intramurals to make a positive impact within the school community, particularly at Tagum National Trade School?
Thank you for that wonderful question. For the information of everyone, I am Elias Olsen-Otan, and my chosen advocacy is waste reduction and recycling. Yes, always we strive for cleaner and cleaner community. And I want to implement it because I cannot ignore the reality I see every day in our school campus. Change must start with us, students, leaders, and teachers. By even practicing proper waste segregation, reducing the use of plastic, and giving new life to still what we can use. So I want to use this platform to have a bigger voice of my advocacy and for my advocacy that I am coming for and I am here.
Yes. How would you utilize the platform of Mr. and Miss Intramurals to make a positive impact within the school community, particularly at Tagum National Trade School?
Thank you for that wonderful question. If I'm gonna become the Mr. Intramurals, I will use my name to build the program on ECOA. This program is here to remind us that the trash and other things that you are not going to use anymore are being disposed right now.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, candidates. Enjoy the other candidates after that.
I don't just see beauty queens. Now to our last pair.
We have our female candidate number 11 and male candidate number 10.
Okay, candidates, there will be the same question for all of you. I will be reading it once or twice. Depends on request. Okay. How would you utilize the platform of Mr. and Miss Intramurals to make a positive impact within the school community, particularly at Tagum National Trade School? Would you like me to repeat it? Okay. How would you utilize the platform of Mr. and Miss Intramurals to make a positive impact within the school community, particularly at Tagum National Trade School?
I think that I would utilize it by showing that I did this with my self-confidence, and I am here because of my self-confidence. That I want to share with all of you that because of my self-confidence, I can achieve things like this. And I wanted to share all of the Tradians that with our self-confidence, we can handle our pressure and our trials and our challenges. That is the most important thing I believe.
Thank you so much. Yes, I will repeat it. How will you utilize the platform of Mr. and Miss Intramurals to make a positive impact within the school community, particularly at Tagum National Trade School?
Good evening once again, judges and teachers and fellow students.
I would utilize my my platform by encouraging my fellow students here in Tagum National Trade School and help them achieve what they want to achieve, even if they are shy to do that activity or that particular event. I would want to help them achieve it by giving them confidence, helping them, and by helping them realize their goals, even if they are shy to do that kind of thing. I would help them. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidates. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our top 5 in the Q&A. They have, that was really tough, but again, the candidates really. But before that, we will be awarding the best speaker for the represented advocacy. Our best speaker for the male category is male candidate number 8. together with our judge, Sir Carl James Lorenzano. This is it, the moment of truth.
We will have our first runner-up. That means the number who will not be called
Is the winner.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Intrams 2025 first runner-up.
Male